Hello everyone, this is part 14 of C programming language video series. In this video, we will cover string, pointer and string functions. So these are the main functions used in a string. So we use mainly string length, string copy and string concatenate and string compare. Okay. So first of all, what is string? A string constant is a one-dimensional array of characters terminated by a null, for example. So this is the null. So we declare here character name and store the string. Okay, so the string form we use the single quotes each word. Okay, and the last is the null. So this null represent the string end. Okay, so this is represent the null end of the string. Each character in the array occupies 1 byte of memory and the last character is always null. Okay, so each character occupy 1 byte, one byte. Okay, so here this is the memory representation. Okay, so uh, this is the address of memory. So the p character stored in this address are stored in this address. So these are the address of the memory. Okay, so how to initialize a string? So this is the form character name and this is the initialization of the string. Okay, pointer and string. Here character string hello and character pointer p and hello. So here we cannot assign a string of one variable to another string variable. So this is the one string. Suppose hello is a one string. So this hello assigned to the another string means p. Okay, so it is not possible because one string not assigned to the another string. Okay, and we can assign the character to each other. One character to assign to the another character, but in a string it is not possible. Okay, so we can assign a character pointer to another character pointer. Okay, we can assign the one character pointer to another. So we understand this concept by using this program. So we use a character string 1 and assign hello. Okay, and we use the second string 2 and the size is the 10. Okay, so here the character s pointer and assign the good morning string. So the s store the good morning string and the character q not assign here anything. And here string 2 is equal to string 1. So the string 1 store hello, the hello assigned to the string 2. Okay, and here q is equal to s. So here s store good morning. Okay, so the good morning, the s is assigned to the q. Okay, so here in the first statement we assign hello to the string 2, and in this statement we assign the good morning means uh, in s to the q. Okay, so we assign the good morning to the q. Okay, so the first string we assign string 1 to the 2. So because this is will not work, it may be generate the error because the one string assigned to the second string, so this may generate the error. But in the second we take assign the character, one character means this is the character. Okay, we assign the good morning to the q variable, so it will work. Okay, string functions. So we use string functions, mainly four functions we'll discuss in this video. So first is the strlen. Strlen means the string length. So this function find out the length of the string. So this function counts the number of characters present in a string. Okay, so this program use string length function. Suppose we use character array. So this is the array. and we assign the string Prem and Arya, and take two integer type of variable len1 and len2 for the store the length of the two variable, and the len1 is equal to string length. Okay, so we store the string length in a length len1 variable, and the len2 store the second length. Okay, so string length YouTube channel. So this YouTube channel string length is stored in this second variable. Okay, so we print the two len1 and len2. So here we print the string is equal to length, and array means this is the first name and this is the length. This will print the length, and second will print the string and print the length. Okay, so in this output the first will print string name, and the is will print the length will print the length. So the first is the length is the 9, and second string length is the 15 character. Okay, second function is the string copy. Okay, so the function copies the contents of one string into another. Okay, so here character source is equal to this string, and second is the target. Okay, so string copy target source. So the source copy to the target. Okay, so printf source string will print this is the source, so this source will print, and the target, so in the target, so this source string will copy and same string will print in the target. So we this print the source and this print the target. Okay, string concatenate. Okay, so this function concatenate the source string at the end of the target string. So this function will concatenate means two string combine to each other or join to each other. So here we take two strings, character source India and character target Bhopal. Okay, so here string concatenate target source. So the both string combine to each other, and we print the first will print the source. The source will print India, and the target will print the target. So first print the target. Okay, so first print the target means Bhopal, and then in the back in the last the India will merge or join. So this will print Bhopal India. Okay, so this will join two string to each other. String CMP means string compare. So this function will compare two string to each other. So function which compares two strings character by character to find out whether they are some same or different. Okay, so these are the two strings Jerry and Ferry. So these are the two strings, and we take three variables I, J, and K. So here the first string is Jerry. Okay, and second string is a Ferry. Okay, string 2, and the third is the we assign the K variable to string 1 and Jerry boy. Okay, and we print the I, J, and K. So this will compare the string. So the first will print the 0 0 because the string 1 compare. Okay, the string 1 compare Jerry. So okay, so the string 1 is the Jerry. So there is a no difference because the Jerry and Ferry. So Jerry have no difference. Okay, so this will print 0. Okay, the second will print string 2. Okay, so the second will print means print 4 because the J and F, see the all string second string the J and F, the all word is the remain same, but J and F is the difference. So the difference of between J and F. Okay, so this will print the 4. This is the ASCII value. Okay, so in the first string compare the Jerry. So there is the no difference because the Jerry is the same. So this will print the zero value. Okay, there is no difference. Okay, but in the string 2, the difference is between the J and F word or character. So this will print the ASCII value. Okay, and in the third string 1 means we compare the Jerry. So the Jerry will compare to the Jerry boy. Okay, so this will compare. So Jerry is the same, but in the boy, so the this is the difference. So this will print the ASCII value. Okay, so this will print the 32. So this will print the first I will print the first string. There is a zero, and second J will print the some difference J and F, and this will print the K, and this is the ASCII value. Okay, I think you understand this comparison of the string comparison. So thank you very much to watching this video.